Hello and welcome to another MSSC Quick Tech. On today's Quick Tech, we will show how to set the sensor mode on our touchscreen Smart-Jet controllers and how to adjust the sensitivity of our TS series printhead. Let's get started. First, let's access the settings menu on our Smart-Jet controller. From the main screen, we'll tap on the settings icon located in the ribbon at the top of the screen. From there, we'll go to the wrench and screwdriver icon at the left and click it to access the system settings. This is where we can find our print mode and sensor configuration options. Now, we'll click on the Sensor tab to access our sensor settings. Here we can choose between different sensor modes for our printer. For this demonstration, we need to make sure that our sensor mode is set to internal rather than external. The internal sensor uses the built-in photocell located in the center of the printhead, just below the cartridge opening. After confirming that our sensor mode is set to internal, we'll click the X to return to the main menu. This completes the software configuration portion of setting up our sensor mode. Now let's adjust the sensitivity on the TS Pro printhead. The TS series has a built-in photocell sensor centered just below the cartridge slot. This sensor must be properly adjusted for reliable product detection. On the back of the printhead, there's a small potentiometer screw for sensitivity adjustment. Use a size 0 Phillips screwdriver to turn the screw and fine-tune the sensor based on your product and environment. For best results, keep the printhead about 0.2 inches or 5 millimeters from your product. A well-adjusted sensor ensures consistent detection and print quality. Please note, the potentiometer screw has both start and stop points. When adjusting, do so gently to avoid over-rotation, which can damage your potentiometer screw. To adjust sensitivity, slowly turn the potentiometer until the sensor light turns on. Then back it off just enough for the light to turn off. From there, gently increase sensitivity again until the light just comes back on. This point, where the sensor light just turns on, is the ideal setting for accurate detection. Proper sensor calibration prevents both missed prints and double triggering, ensuring consistent product detection and optimal print quality. A well-adjusted sensor also helps reduce waste by preventing missed prints, which occur when a product isn't detected, and double triggering, which happens when a single product causes multiple prints. That's it. We hope you found this sensor tutorial helpful, and as always, happy printing! From all of us at MSSC.